In the cavernous depths of human society, a silent war rages. Two forces, primal and ancient, locked in an eternal struggle. They are the Alpha and the Sigma, predators at the apex of their respective domains. One seeks dominance, craving the spotlight's glare. The other walks in shadow, their power subtle, their motives shrouded. But both are bound by an unspoken truth. Their existence is a dance of dominance, a game of survival where only one can truly reign supreme. The world is their hunting ground, a complex tapestry woven with threads of ambition, desire, and the unending thirst for power. We are but pawns in their game, drawn to their charisma, manipulated by their desires. But who are these enigmatic figures, and what will be the outcome of their eternal conflict? The Sigma male, a whisper in the dark, a phantom unseen yet undeniably present. He moves through the night like a shadow, a figure of mystery and intrigue. He is the lone wolf, comfortable in solitude, shunning the pack's suffocating hierarchy. In his world, independence is not just a choice, but a necessity. Rules and social constructs are shackles to him, meaningless constraints on his untamed spirit. He walks his own path, guided by an inner compass that never falters. He is driven by internal validation, not the fleeting approval of the masses. The opinions of others are but whispers in the wind to him. His power is quiet, an undercurrent of confidence that draws others in, a magnetic pull they can't quite explain. It's a strength that doesn't need to shout to be heard. He observes, analyzes, and acts with calculated precision. Every move is deliberate, every action thought out. He is a master manipulator, bending the world to his will with subtle nudges and carefully placed words. His influence is felt, even if unseen. But beneath his aloof exterior lies a depth of intellect and a storm of emotions rarely revealed. His heart, though guarded, beats with a passion few can comprehend. He is a mystery waiting to be unraveled, a puzzle box with secrets hidden in plain sight. To understand him is to embark on a journey into the unknown. The alpha male, a force of nature, loud and demanding, impossible to ignore. His roar echoes through the savannah, a sound that sends shivers down the spine of every creature within earshot. He is the lion, king of his pride, ruling with a presence that commands respect and often fear. His every move is calculated, his every decision final. He thrives in the spotlight, feeding off the admiration of others, his ego fueled by their validation. The pride looks up to him, their eyes filled with awe and reverence. He is a natural leader, charismatic and bold, drawing people to his cause with promises of power and glory. His vision is clear, his goals unwavering. He is driven by ambition, a relentless pursuit of success and dominance in all aspects of his life. Every challenge is an opportunity, every obstacle a stepping stone. He believes in strength, both physical and mental, and isn't afraid to assert his authority to get what he wants. His power is undeniable, his will unbreakable. He is a whirlwind of energy, a charismatic leader who inspires and intimidates in equal measure. His presence is magnetic, drawing others to him like moths to a flame. But beneath his confident exterior, a flicker of insecurity remains, a constant need to prove himself worthy of the crown. He battles his inner demons, striving to maintain his image of invincibility. At first glance, they appear to be polar opposites, two distinct entities that could never coexist. The Sigma, a solitary creature content in the shadows, finding solace in solitude. The Alpha, a social butterfly thriving in the limelight, basking in the attention of others. Yet dig deeper and you'll find striking similarities that bind them together. Both possess an unwavering self-belief, an unshakable confidence that draws others to them, almost magnetically. Both are driven, ambitious, and fiercely independent, refusing to be confined by societal expectations or norms. They are two sides of the same coin, different expressions of masculinity, each with its own unique strengths and weaknesses. Their methods may differ, but their goals often align, converging towards a common end. Both seek control, influence, and ultimately power, striving to shape their worlds. They are masters of their respective domains, navigating the complexities of human interaction with ease and finesse. But while one seeks to lead from the front, the other manipulates from the shadows, their influence subtle yet undeniable. This fundamental difference lies at the heart of their eternal conflict, a struggle that defines their existence. Section 5. A battle fought in silence. Theirs is not a battle fought with swords and shields, but with whispers and glances, with strategic alliances and calculated betrayals. It is a silent war waged in the corridors of power, in the boardrooms of corporations, and in the depths of our own subconscious. The Alpha, with his direct approach and commanding presence, often claims the initial victory. He takes charge, dictates the terms, and basks in the adulation of the crowd. But the Sigma observes, biding his time, waiting for the right moment to strike. He exploits the Alpha's weaknesses, his need for validation, his fear of losing control. He plants seeds of doubt, sows discord among his followers, and slowly, methodically, dismantles his reign from within. Section 6. The Dance of Dominance. This dance of dominance is a delicate and dangerous game. The Alpha, blinded by his own ambition, often fails to see the threat the Sigma poses until it's too late. He underestimates the power of the shadows, the influence of the one who operates outside the established hierarchy. The Sigma, however, must be careful not to overplay his hand. He can topple the king, but he cannot rule in his place. His strength lies in his anonymity, his ability to manipulate from the shadows. To step into the light is to expose himself, to become the very thing he seeks to dismantle. Section 7. The Price of Power. The path to power is paved with the sacrifices they've made. The Alpha, forever chasing validation, often loses sight of genuine connection, pushing away those who truly care for him. The Sigma, shrouded in secrecy, struggles to form lasting bonds, his fear of vulnerability a barrier to intimacy. Both are haunted by a sense of loneliness, a yearning for something more than the shallow victories their chosen paths provide. They are prisoners of their own making, trapped in an unending cycle of dominance and destruction. Section 8. An Unending Struggle. The battle between the Alpha and the Sigma is not a story with a definitive ending. It is an eternal conflict, a cycle that repeats itself throughout history, across cultures and within each of us. For the duality of the Alpha and the Sigma exists within us all. We are all drawn to the allure of power, the desire for control, the need for validation. The question is not who will win, for there can be no true victor in this game. The question is, which path will you choose? Will you embrace the Alpha's boldness, his unwavering pursuit of dominance, or will you walk the Sigma's path, a master manipulator content to control from the shadows? Section 9. Choose your allegiance. Look within yourself. Confront the darkness and the light that reside within. Understand the forces that shape your desires, your motivations, your very being. Only then can you begin to navigate the treacherous terrain of human interaction, the eternal conflict between the Alpha and the Sigma. This is not a choice to be taken lightly. The path you choose will shape your destiny, determine your relationships, and ultimately define your legacy. Section 10. Journey Deeper. This is just the beginning of our exploration into the intricate dynamics of the Alpha and the Sigma. There is much more to uncover, more secrets to unravel, more layers to peel back. Join me as we delve deeper into this fascinating and often unsettling aspect of the human condition. Subscribe now and embark on a journey into the heart of the eternal conflict. The truth awaits.